Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got this surf blue Jazz Crosstar. Now of course this colour option was discontinued about a year ago, and we have not seen many of these cars knocking around recently, so it does make this colour quite a rare option. However, into the specification, we do have front and rear parking sensors on this Jazz. You also get LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You also get these 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they all are in. However, the wheels have been freshly refurbished as part of the vehicle's preparation process. Walking around the rear, you'll notice that it is a 2020 model, and it is one of the earlier Jazzes that did come out. We do also have a nice little urban pack on the bottom as well, which is a nice addition to have to the car. We've got your 4 rear parking sensors along the rear bumper, and then we've also got a reversing camera just up top there. In the back of the car now, we've got your 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, we do have your cloth grey with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. You'll also notice that we do have your cloth white and cloth black accents on the outer edges. We've got full keyless entry and keyless start. We've then got your all electric automatic windows all round, with your window lock, central locking and electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, including power fold. Inside the car now, we've also got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your ECON Mode as well, which does make the car think it needs to be more economic than normal. We've got your eCVT gearbox and your climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats. We've then got your 10-inch display in the middle, which comes with your personal assistant, satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, FM, DAB and your Bluetooth audio. It does also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto function as well, which is a nice little feature to have within the system. We've got extra storage just up top there. And then over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, track select, voice assistant, and then the arrows and the home button do control your onboard computer up top. We've then over on the right hand side got your speed limiter, cruise control, lane keep assist and distance control. We've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has only done 13,982 miles. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.